Across vast fields, modern combines begin the meticulous process of harvesting, gathering nature's bounty. The harvest begins as machines efficiently gather stalks, separating precious popcorn cobs. Witness the precision as golden popcorn kernels are expertly separated from their cobs. The journey begins as freshly harvested popcorn kernels depart the farm. Thousands of kernels begin their journey, flowing from the truck into the factory's receiving hopper. The raw kernels are now on their way, carried by the conveyor deeper into the production facility. Here, our popcorn kernels begin their purification journey, entering the vibrating sifter. Meticulous vibrations ensure only clean kernels proceed, as unwanted fragments are expertly removed. Through multiple stages, the kernels are meticulously cleaned, guaranteeing purity for the next steps. The diligent process yields beautifully clean kernels, ready for their transformation. Perfectly cleaned, these kernels are now prepared for their exciting journey to become delicious popcorn. Skilled workers meticulously monitor the environment, ensuring perfect conditions for every kernel. Precision is paramount. Samples are drawn to verify optimal moisture levels. Each sample is crucial, representing the quality of vast quantities of popcorn. The digital meter confirms the precise moisture level, critical for perfect popping. Kernels embark on their journey, where gravity sorting ensures only the finest make the cut. Each screen acts as a precise gate, ensuring only kernels of exact specifications proceed. Through careful calibration, each kernel is sorted into its destined size grade. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. This meticulous grading ensures every batch meets our exacting standards. Only the optimally sized kernels will advance to the next stage of production. Precision grading ensures every kernel contributes to a superior final product. Precision sorting ensures only the finest popcorn kernels proceed. Advanced optics meticulously inspect each individual kernel. Imperfections are swiftly detected, maintaining premium quality. A precise burst of air removes any flawed kernels. Only perfect kernels continue their journey. This meticulous process guarantees superior quality popcorn. Precision is key as quality control begins, ensuring only the finest kernels advance. A practiced hand ensures every kernel is perfectly aligned for meticulous examination. Through rigorous inspection, the quality of each batch is meticulously verified. Precision engineering ensures every kernel is perfectly prepared for its transformation. Skilled American workers diligently monitor every stage, ensuring unparalleled quality. The kernels absorb heat, subtly expanding, poised for their dramatic transformation. Each kernel, a tiny time capsule, prepares to unfurl its golden, fluffy potential. From a hard shell, a remarkable transformation begins, driven by intense heat. Witness the incredible metamorphosis as heat unlocks nature's magic within each kernel. The science of expansion vividly displayed as each kernel unfolds into a fluffy marvel. From a resilient golden seed emerges a light, fluffy, and delicious snack. The air fills with freshly popped kernels, a testament to perfected craftsmanship. A mesmerizing display of transformation, yielding a staple snack adored by many. Witness the incredible volume, a fluffy cascade of freshly popped kernels ready for the next stage. Each fluffy piece is carefully transported, maintaining its delicate structure for peak enjoyment. Skilled hands and advanced systems ensure every batch meets the highest standards. The delicate, airy popcorn pieces move gracefully, preserving their perfect form. A steady, abundant flow, moving efficiently towards its delicious destiny. In the seasoning and coating section, popcorn kernels enter a massive rotating tumbler for a crucial transformation. Skilled workers precisely monitor the flow, ensuring optimal distribution. The tumbler's precise rotation ensures every kernel receives a light, even coat. The fine mist of oil adheres perfectly, creating a smooth, even surface on each kernel. The steady tumble ensures optimal coating, preparing kernels for the next stage. The precisely engineered nozzles ensure consistent, fine oil dispersion. A skilled worker performs a final quality check, ensuring perfection. The perfectly coated popcorn kernels are ready to exit the tumbler. The cooling process begins as seasoned popcorn spreads across the conveyor, carefully designed for even air exposure. From a high angle, the entire cooling operation unfolds, a symphony of gentle motion and controlled temperature. Precise airflow control ensures each kernel reaches the perfect room temperature, preserving its quality. As the popcorn nears the end of its cooling journey, it reaches the optimal temperature, ready for the next stage. Skilled American workers meticulously inspect each kernel, ensuring only the best quality popcorn proceeds. Precision and dedication define the manual inspection process, a vital step for premium popcorn. Every batch undergoes rigorous manual inspection, guaranteeing superior quality popcorn for consumers. Every individual kernel is important. Our team ensures only the finest quality reaches you. Through dedicated effort, our American team ensures every kernel meets the highest quality standards. Years of experience guide these expert hands, ensuring every kernel is perfect. Each American worker stands as a guardian of quality, ensuring our popcorn is second to none. From raw kernels to premium product, every step is rigorously checked by our dedicated team. Through meticulous handwork, every unpopped kernel is removed, ensuring a perfect popcorn experience. Our dedicated American team upholds a tradition of quality, ensuring excellence in every batch. This dedication ensures every bag of popcorn offers an unparalleled taste and quality. Precision begins as meticulously inspected popcorn enters the sophisticated multi-head weigher system. The multi-head weigher precisely measures optimal popcorn quantities, ensuring consistent product packaging. Precise portions of popcorn are gravity-fed, ready to be sealed into fresh, perfectly portioned bags. Each bag receives its exact popcorn portion, ensuring consistent quality and value for consumers. The completed popcorn bags are now ready for the next stage of their journey to eager customers. Precision engineering transforms flat film into perfect pouches, ready for the golden kernels. With perfect timing, each bag is sealed with unwavering strength, preserving freshness. Perfectly packaged, each bag of popcorn begins its journey from machine to customer. The precise calibration ensures every bag receives the ideal portion, maintaining quality. A steady flow of perfectly sealed bags demonstrates the efficiency of high-volume production. At the boxing station, skilled workers meticulously prepare the freshly bagged popcorn for shipment. Each box is carefully filled to capacity, ensuring safe transport of the premium product. With precision, the sealed boxes are stacked, ready for the next stage of distribution. Automated precision ensures every box of our premium popcorn is perfectly prepared for its journey. A skilled worker meticulously secures the completed pallet, ensuring product integrity for distribution. Efficiency reigns as finished popcorn is moved to storage, ready for distribution.